Hello there, lovely crafters. It's Terry here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some inspiration from one of the new releases from Spellbinders. So the dies and hot foil plate that I have been kindly sent by Spellbinders are from the Boo Party collection. So we've got our Dancing Ghost, and he's dancing because you can see his little legs moving. It's hard to capture the angle on the camera, but his little legs move. It's very cute. And similarly, we've got a little dancing mummy. So they're like little best buds. Super cute. And then there's this one, which is a haunted house, and it comes with these cool little additions of little ghosties and clouds and a moon and bats. And then there's this absolutely gorgeous hot foil plate called Hypnotic, which I've used on all three of these cards. So today's video is one of two. So today I'm going to show you how I've made all three of these cards. Particularly useful, I think you'll find how I have made the legs dangle, and you can see that there's a nice bit of dimension there as well. You can also see that he's got nice shiny eyes, put some Nouveau crystal glaze on there. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to make these cards, and then tomorrow there'll be another video showing you how to make more cards. So let's dive in. So this is the Dancing Ghost die set. It is so super cute. It's got this ghost at the front, and then the legs that you can put a brad or some sort of mechanism through to make the legs dangle. And then there's also a slit here, so you can have the ghost holding a pumpkin, or there's a bag of sweets here as well. So it's super cute. So I've gone for the pumpkin. I found some old brads that I just had lying around in my stash, and I've just put this one through, and it dangles quite nicely. It's got like a bit of a textured flocked front, but never mind. I'm sure that using some red liner tape on the back of that will make it swing nicely. And then I've created this background with some smooth bright green cardstock and the new Hypnotic foil plate, which I'm just in love with. There's going to be loads more makes to show you using this foil plate, but I've used this gorgeous purple, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but I will put everything that I've used in the description box below. So sit back and watch me assemble this little cutie. So here we go, my crafty friends, our two little dancing buddies. So we've got our Boo Crew dancing ghost, which is just super cute. I can't get over the dangly legs, like they're so cute. And the little boy out trick-or-treating, dressed as a mummy, super cute. Yeah, these are so much fun, like really fun. And all you need is just any type of brad. To say I found these old ones that I had in my stash. Like if you use a little small brad, like a traditional brad, then I would just glue a circle of card onto the back of that, because the hole's quite big for the legs, so it'd be too big for a traditional brad. But I say if you've got any bigger ones floating around, then they'll work perfectly. So there's one more card I'm going to make in today's video, and that's going to be using so we've got the we've got the dancing ghost, the dancing mummy, and then the background is the Hypnotic Hot Foil Plate, and then we have the haunted house. So that is these dies here. It's very cute. Well, it's very cute and spooky, and you get little bats, you get a little two ghosts, some clouds to go over your eerie sun. So I'm going to make one more card today, and then there's also going to be a video tomorrow where I'm going to make a different version of the haunted house card, and I'm also going to make some, because this is all part of the Boo Crew release, including the cover plate, I believe, the Hypnotic hot foil plate, but I'm going to show in tomorrow's video some ways to use it that aren't to do with Halloween, to show you the versatility of the beautiful hot foil plate. So sit back and watch me make this card. And here we go, my crafty friends, the completed spooky house card. I just think this is really cute and fun. I think layering up the bats and the clouds just gives it a bit of something extra. And I've used like pearlescent card, shiny card, you know, which sort of ties in with the lovely foiled effect. Even shiny card for the path to the house, and then I decided to add it to the fence at the end as well. So I've only actually used a matte cardstock for this sort of, well, I guess it would be a hill, but I've done it in black, and some purple for the door and behind there. So I am pleased with that. This is an A2 size card, American size A2, so 4¼ by 5½, something many of us will be used to working with, but it perfectly lends itself well to larger cards as well. If you like making like 5 by 7 cards, you could easily sort of have it as more of a sort of focal scene in the center and have more white space, or do matting and layering, such as what I've done in this card, because, and then, you know, I mean, that would look lovely if you had a layer of gold and then a layer of purple. You know, I did contemplate whether to add some more matting and layering, but I thought I'd just leave it like that, really. So well, I've just noticed you can see that bit of glue from where I dropped that on, so I'll just remove that with my handy dandy adhesive eraser. But the little eyes from the ghosts come out as well, but I wanted them to stay in. I just wanted them to have white eyes, so I just stuck a bit of washi on the back, and that held them in place perfectly. So this is our little Boo Crew initial card set. As I said, the link to the Spellbinders shop will be in the description box below, and I'll write down the names of the sets for you. And tomorrow there'll be a video with using this die set again, but not with a hot foiled background, with a different background which I've already got planned in my mind, and it's going to look gorgeous. And then just some alternative ways to use the hot foil plate. So I hope you'll join me tomorrow for that. And if this is the first video of mine that you've seen, or the first time that you've come across me, if you have enjoyed the video, if you've picked up some tips or enjoyed it, feel free. It's a very open, relaxed channel. I love to interact with the people that watch my videos, my little crafty family, and if you want to, then feel free to subscribe and keep up to date with what videos I have going on. So I'll see you again tomorrow, hopefully. Take care. Bye.